This is Sloan Street, apartment 3 on 3rd floor. There's actually 2 apartments up here. They're both identical. That one still has to be painted, but this one's available, apartment number 3. This has a couple little punch list items to do in here, but overall, it's ready to rent. You have 1 bedroom in the back. I'll walk outside on the way out too, but you have off-street parking back there, trash pickup and a can. Plenty of closet space in here. Electric stove, fridge. Small bathroom. Small shower too, but get you clean. New vinyl flooring in here. Nice size living room. And that's the front bedroom, which you have your closet here and it actually passes through to the bedroom as well. Nice neighborhood over here, 2 blocks from Main. And if you're interested in this apartment, go to the website, parasoleproperties.com. It's P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application and we'll be in touch by the next business day with further instruction how to view this property. We've got a lockbox on the door. This bottom door is left open, so you can just go in upstairs to view it. This is another apartment down here. You have a coin-op washer and dryer in the basement through the Bilko doors down there. Alright, so if you're interested, just apply. You know what to do.